Hi everyone, it's Rachel with REMAX in Green Valley Lake. Today we're going to be looking at this log cabin, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,084 square foot home on a double lot in Green Valley Lake. Come check it out. So here we are from the street, 33308 Iris. And so we're going to be looking at a house, 2 lots, and our property boundaries going to be somewhere around this fence line right here. And look how cute it is. It's going to be all of this. So our other property line is going to be right at the fence right here. And then I'll tell you kind of where the property line is in the back. The lot is currently 2 separate lots. Obviously they're combined for use, but if you wanted to, you've got the other lot that kind of right around where that boulder is, comes down to the street, and this is a completely separate parcel, but it does go with the sale of the property. So was always used as a primary, secondary home, never been a vacation rental, but would make for a great vacation rental. You are about 2 minutes from Green Valley Lake, and there's little shops, restaurants, things to do over there. Here you've got parking, so you could open up this gate, get like an RV boat parking back here if you wanted to. And we've got a buildup underneath the deck so that you can store firewood, tools, things like that, but you also have the shed next door. So coming up, the exterior, one thing to note, amazing, immaculate shape, really well taken care of. It is fairly newer. Also, the deck is in great shape, very sturdy, very sound, very clean, and seems like it's been well kept. Surrounding neighbors are all in great shape. And so we're going to come inside. So coming in, we've got hardwood floors. So this is nice grooved, hand carved hardwood floors. And then we have tongue and groove on the walls, on the wainscoting, as well as up on the ceiling too. So cabin. Pardon me, it got cold last night and the batteries are cold in the smoke detector. So here we are in the living room. Nice large space. TV probably gonna go on the wall over here. We do have dual pane windows. Nice upgraded windows. Got a beautiful wood stove in here. That thing's just gonna light this place up with a tile foundation to it. Does look like it's got a gas connection over here too, in case you wanted to do something different. So I'm going to, what we've got is bathroom over here, storage over here, kitchen around the corner, and then the 2 bedrooms and the 1 bathroom upstairs. So the heating in the house, we do have a wall heater. There is a secondary wall heater upstairs as well, so you can kind of sectionally heat it. Here, what I love about this is they've got kind of like floating stairs, so you can see through them. So you can use this as storage. It does look super clean, not having anything there. And this is a little trap door that goes down into like a little cellar, but I won't take you down there for the sake of the video. So coming into the bathroom, we do have tile, wood tile look, super clean. Nice Formica countertops. Upgraded cabinetry. We have tile. And this is a cast iron tub as well. So everything in clean, a really good shape here. Doors, heavy duty. Love the knots in the doors. I mean, that's just great features. So many of them. But the door is actually really heavy. So then we're gonna go off to the kitchen. So one thing to note, we do have this little pop-out area right here, kind of like a little reading nook area. Could also use it as like a solo dining room table, a little office area, reading nook, anything you want. You could also put a nice big plant there too. But kind of just fun, different character. And here we go, coming into the kitchen and the dining room. Again, wood everywhere, ceiling, walls, wainscoting everywhere. But high ceilings too. These are probably about like an 8 or a 9 foot ceiling. So we have the same cabinetry as in the bathroom. And we have butcher's block on the countertops all the way around. All the appliances match. Frigidaire, 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 Frigidaire. And then our dining room table as well. Okay, so now let's head upstairs to the bedrooms. Again, here's the other viewpoint of those floating stairs. Kind of neat, gives it character. So we've got our master bedroom to the left, other bedroom to the right, and our other bathroom. So coming in, we've got the master, again, wood, 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 wood. Looks so good. Again, pardon those alarms going off. So here we have a slate fireplace. Again, it's going to have a starter on it and a remote. And then a live edge, a very smooth mantle. Could easily get a TV up top as well. And then what's great about this is it has really good closets. So here we have the closet. We have sort of like a attic entry right here that I won't take you into for the sake of the video. And this can easily fit a king size bed in here. Good lighting in here too, like you barely need any kind of lights on. So here we have the second bathroom. So you could, if you wanted to, check the laundry and put a shower in here as well. But I think it works having laundry in here. That's kind of a nice addition. So we do have that same tile from downstairs in the bathroom down there. A pedestal, cast iron sink, toilet, washer, dryer, view. And then here we have the second bedroom. And here we also have that second heater right here as well. So easily get 3 people in here, possibly a 4th if you put a trundle in here. And then here we're gonna go outside just to show you what that covered area down below looked like. And as well, I wanted to show you this nice deep closet in here as well. So after this, I'm going to take you outside off the kitchen. Here we are coming out back now. So we do have kind of a covered little area right here because this is going to be the deck off of the bedroom upstairs. It is treated wood, really great shape. Oh wow, I see an interesting deck up there. It's like a treehouse deck. Nice little outdoor table. And so property line is going to be the fence line. And somewhere back here behind this boulder, you would see, I don't have the right climbing shoes on. I don't see it, but I know it's back here. And so if you wanted to split the lot, you could do so and have a different house right here if you wanted to. And so the deck is all also, I like to check for how it's built. It is up on pillars, which is one thing that you're looking for because we have subterranean termites in the mountains. So you want your wood to touch the concrete, and we've got concrete pillars under here and here, so we're all good. Okay, so I don't have access into the shed, but we do have a concrete foundation, wood siding on it, and it's about a 10 by 12 size, as well as a roof that is in fantastic shape. And not to mention, in this area you could also park an RV. There is an RV dump right here, connection for it as well. So let me know what you think. Talk to you soon. Bye.